Hey, my MDTD family. Let me hope that everybody is doing well. Trust that you're all safe and you're in good health. Yes, welcome back to our favorite spot. Today, I have another recipe for you. I'm going to show you how I prepare my barbecue beef ribs. And I'm going to do this in the oven. Because as you know, it's springtime here in Canada, but the weather is not cooperating. So I'm going to do it in the oven. All right. So please stay with me throughout the process. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, like and share with your family and your friends. I want you to become a part of the MDTD family. And I want to say a big thank you to those of you who have already subscribed and share. I can see that we are growing and I really appreciate you. All right, so stay with me. I'm going to prepare my beef. Yes, so I'm going to wash it and then I will come back to you when it's time to get it seasoned. All right, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so the beef is all washed, the spare ribs is all washed and ready for seasoning. I've also trimmed some of the excess fat from it. All right, so this is the seasoning I'm going to use, right? So a tablespoon of meat seasoning, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, and also paprika. All right, so I'm just going to sprinkle over it, just like nothing too special, just like how you would season your meat. I'm also going to add some grounded pimento. And this will give it added flavor. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of jerk barbecue sauce. And we're just going to season and let it marinate for no less than an hour, right? If you do this overnight, it will even taste much better. All right, so we just make sure that your seasoning is evenly distributed. All right, so we'll just cover, let marinate, and I'll come back to you when it's time for me to start the cooking. All right. Okay guys, I'm all ready now to start the cooking process. Looking good. All right. So I'm just going to lay them flat. And I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes or until done. So I will need 2 pans. So I'm using 2 pans because I want them to be as flat as possible. And I'll just put a few pieces of garlic This will help to tenderize the beef, but also to give it flavor. All right. So I'll cover and put in the oven. Like I've said, just let it cook. So while I wait for the beef to cook, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the barbecue sauce. Right, so you can just grab a hold of your favorite barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna mix a few together. So the jerk barbecue sauce. Sauce. I'm also going to add some honey. Totally optional, but I like to use the honey to neutralize the tanginess in the sauce. I'm using about a tablespoon. Alright, so that's simple. You just go ahead and mix. Alright, so that's simple, guys. Okay, let us check to see where we are in the process. Alright, so I'm just going to give it another 10 minutes and then I will just apply the barbecue sauce and we are done. So quite simple, guys, and the beef is looking good. The spare rib is looking real good. Okay guys, now for the fun part. We're just going to base it with the barbecue sauce. Remove the cover, put it back in the oven, let it soak up the sauce. Looking nice already, man. Okay guys, so we just put it back in the oven and like I've said before, take off the cover and let it soak, alright? Okay guys, here's a little secret for you. So I'm putting it back in the oven and I put the oven on broil. So this will give it a kind of a charred look. I put it on low. You don't want to put it on high because you don't want to burn it. Alright, so you watch it, give it about 5 minutes and then turn it to the other side so that I can get the real barbecue look. Alright? So all done. Looking real good, succulent. Look at this. Very nice. Very nice. All right, so let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I need you to become a part of the MDTD family, all right? As you can see, everything turns out nicely, or nice. Ribs are flat, well cooked, smelling real good. All right, so we don't have to do our barbecue outside on the grill. We can do it right in the oven. All right, so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, we have come to the end of another, what I would say, amazing video. I want to thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Please leave a comment in the comment section. Don't be shy at all right? Just make it positive. Be positive. Also, subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you in the next video, all right? So stay blessed, stay safe. God bless you until we see each other again in the next video, all right? Peace.